Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving deep into one of the most exciting hot hatches on the market. This is the 2026 Honda Civic Type R, and it's looking sharper, faster, and more refined than ever. The one we're reviewing today comes in a stunning white finish, which perfectly highlights the aggressive lines and performance touches that make this car a track monster in disguise. Stick around as we break down everything from the design, interior details, performance numbers, and what it'll cost you to put one in your driveway. Starting with the exterior, the 2026 Type R continues Honda's evolution of aggressive styling with a cleaner, more mature design compared to earlier generations. The white paint on this car contrasts beautifully with the blacked-out accents, from the front grille, side mirrors, to the massive rear wing. Up front, you've got sleek LED headlights, a more sculpted hood, and a lower, wider stance that screams performance. The signature red Honda badge is front and center, backed by an aggressive honeycomb mesh grille and a front splitter that actually works. It's not just for looks. Moving to the side, you'll notice the flared fenders and 19-inch forged alloy wheels wrapped in Michelin Pilot Sport 4S tires, giving this hatch some serious grip. And around the back, that triple exhaust setup remains iconic, but Honda has tuned the note to be more refined, less drone, more growl when you open it up. Inside, the Type R keeps its driver-focused setup but takes a more premium turn in 2026. The first thing you'll notice? Those deep red sport bucket seats. They're supportive, aggressively bolstered, and surprisingly comfortable for daily use. Everything in the cabin is laid out with intent. The red stitching across the dash, the aluminum shift knob, and the suede-like materials on the steering wheel and doors make the interior feel performance-focused yet upscale. Honda's latest infotainment system sits in the center, with a 10.2-inch digital driver display and a 9-inch touchscreen for media and nav. Wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto are standard, and there's even a performance data logger app for those who want to track their lap times or driving stats. Rear seat space is decent for a compact car, and the hatchback layout means you're not sacrificing practicality for performance. Fold down the rear seats and you've got enough cargo space for a weekend trip, or track day gear. Under the hood, the 2026 Civic Type R still rocks the same 2.0-liter turbocharged inline-4, but it's been massaged for even better response. Horsepower is up slightly, now delivering 330 horsepower and 315 lb-ft of torque, all going to the front wheels through a slick 6-speed manual transmission. Yes, it's still a stick, and yes, it's still one of the best in the business. Honda has fine-tuned the rev matching system, making heel-toe driving almost effortless, and the limited slip differential keeps things planted through tight corners. The chassis is stiffer, the steering more precise, and there's an updated adaptive damper system that reads the road in real time. Whether you're carving canyon roads or hitting the track, the Type R feels balanced, aggressive, and incredibly communicative. 0 to 60 comes in around 5.2 seconds, and top speed nudges just past 170 miles per hour. As for pricing, the 2026 Honda Civic Type R starts at around $45,000, depending on options and destination charges. Add a few packages, like upgraded wheels, paint protection, or a performance data recorder, and you could be looking at closer to $48,000 or more out the door. For what you're getting, track-ready performance, daily usability, and serious engineering, it's hard to find anything else in this segment that delivers quite as much fun per dollar. So that's the full rundown on the 2026 Honda Civic Type R in white. It's cleaner, quicker, and more refined than ever, while still staying true to its roots. Let me know in the comments, would you take this over something like the Golf R or GR Corolla? If you enjoyed the video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more car reviews coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.